Good morning, friends. Welcome to the Carvey Morning Broadcast. Markets likely to reclaim 8650 mark. Banks to outperform. Nifty ends in green for the second consecutive trade to shut the shop at 8589. After a sluggish day on Wednesday, bulls could maintain their momentum and has geared up a rally towards the end in yesterday's trade. On the global front, European stocks ended on a muted note as there were no surprises from Bank of England interest rate decision and economic outlook, while US equities ended lower reacting to the economic data and earnings. Bank of England decision and even crude prices fresh lows disturbed the positive sentiment at the domestic end. Going forward, global equities are awaiting for important non-farm payroll and unemployment rate numbers from US as the data could be deciding factor in whether the US Fed decides to raise interest rates in September or not. While on the domestic front, index stocks like BHEL, Tata Motors, M&M, Grasim shall be in focus as they will announce their earnings today. Moreover, passage of key bills in the parliament and quarterly earnings shall also be a crucial factor in the near term. Technically, Nifty is trading well above its all key moving averages and is also having few unfilled gaps on daily charts, which adds bullishness to Nifty. A decisive sustenance above its previous swing high of 8650 levels might trigger a fresh up move towards 8830, 8850 area, while on the downside supports are packed in the zone of 8510 to 8540 area and below it at 8420 to 8450 zone. Therefore, for the day, we recommend traders to buy around 8540, 8550 area, keeping a stop loss of 8500 for a target of 8600 to 8650. On a spot basis, we have one option strategy for the that is sell Nifty August 8500 put option in the range of 73-78, stop loss 95, targets 30, and time frame is 2 to 3 days. We have 5 intraday combinations in the KMM of 7th of August 2015. RCOM is a long, Axis Bank is a long, R Power is a long, Voltas is a long, and Bharti Airtel is a short. For entry, stop loss and target, please refer to the KMM of 7th of August 2015. Thank you, friends, and have a nice trading session.